welcome back to All Things with Tip. I'm Tip. This is my cousin C. So you may have seen her in I think I've done another video or two with her in it, and she's always trying to get her hair done. She'll sneak up and then knock on my door and be like, Tip, you in there? Can you do my hair? But anyway, so I'm gonna do her hair today. I love doing her hair because she allows me to do whatever I want to do on her hair. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo it, and then I'll come back to you all whenever I get ready to style it. So I will see you all in just a moment. Peace. Okay guys, so I have shampooed her hair and conditioned it. She actually sat under the hydration machine, and as you can see here, I am going in with the leave-in spray with the Cheek Keratin leave-in conditioner. This is something that I always do. I always do a leave-in. And then we're gonna go in with the Nairobi to go ahead and set her hair. And once I've set her hair, I actually usually just allow her to air dry, just to prevent any extra heat that we don't need. The sides don't take long to dry at all. And then I usually just go in and just blow dry the top because she actually does have color in her hair. So we lightened it a few months ago, and then we added some purple in there. Don't know if you can see it right now, but you would definitely be able to see it at the end. It is so pretty, and it just pops where it needs to pop. So guys, continue to enjoy. Make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe if you already haven't. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Welcome to All Things with Tip. And if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much all for your support. I love you. Stay tuned. I'll see you all in a moment. so I'm getting ready to clean her up, and this is a new trimmer slash liner that I purchased off of Amazon. I purchased it a while back and I'm just now using it. I do not like it as much as I like my gold one, but my cousin did say that this one was a little bit lighter, like she barely felt me lining her up. So I just don't like, I feel like my other one gives it a cleaner cut and it's a little bit more sharper. But you guys will see the results. If you are interested, I will put this product in the description as well. So guys, just continue watching. I'm going to give her some cute little beach wave curls. We normally do just something simple, but we wanted to switch it up a little bit. So guys, continue watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe by liking this video. It helps with the views. So I'm trying to get these views up, so y'all go ahead and support me. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Continue watching. All right, guys, we are at the end. I love how her style turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Again, that helps with my views. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. Make sure you also subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring that notification bell to receive notifications every time I post a video. I love you guys. I will see you next time. You know what it is. Peace.